Hello friends, in this video I am going to teach you about the working of carburetor system. So in the petrol engine, a combustible fuel air mixture is prepared outside the engine cylinder. The process of preparing this mixture is known as carburation. In this figure it shows a simple carburetor. It consists of a float chamber, a nozzle, a venturi and a throttle valve. The float and a needle valve system maintain a constant height of petrol in the float chamber. If the amount of fuel in the float chamber falls below the designed level, the float lowers, thereby opening the needle of the fuel supply valve. When the designed level has been reached, the float closes the needle valve, thus stopping additional fuel flow from the supply system. Float chamber is also vented to the atmosphere. So in float chamber, the pressure is atmospheric pressure. So during the suction stroke, air is drawn through the venturi through the air inlet. Venturi is a tube of decreasing cross section which reaches a minimum cross section at the throat. The air passing through the venturi increases in the velocity and the pressure in the venturi throat decreases below atmospheric pressure. Now, because the pressure in the float chamber is atmospheric and at the surrounding of the nozzle is below atmospheric, a pressure differential is created which is known as carburetor depression, so that the fuel will flow through the pipe and mix with the air. So this is how the mixing of fuel is done in a carburetor. The charge flow to the cylinder is regulated by a throttle valve. For example, when less power is required at a particular speed, the amount of charge delivered to the cylinder is reduced. This is achieved by means of a throttle valve of butterfly type which is situated just after the venturi tube. As the throttle is closed, less air flow through the venturi tube and less is the quantity of air-fuel mixture delivered to the cylinder, and hence less is the power developed. As the throttle is opened, more air flows through the choke tube and the power of the engine increases. So this is the basic working principle of a carburetor system. So if you like this video, please like this video, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.